Hello everyone, hi everyone. Good afternoon, how are you doing? I'm going to try the fastest train in China, which starts in Beijing at 11 a.m. and it arrives in Shanghai at 3:37. So totally, it's around 4 hours and 37 minutes for the whole journey from Beijing to Shanghai. You can imagine, less than 5 hours. I'm in the middle of this journey. This station is called Hongqiao. Okay, I'm going to get on the train later. See you. The train is coming. It's stopping. Not very many people. Very nice. This facility is pretty high advanced. Very fast. I'm going to get on it very soon. Stop. Seven. The door is open. Many smokers in China. Do you smoke? If you're smoking, you have to quit it. It's good for health. Very nice. This is the interior situation. A lot of luggage is placed there. A luggage rack. There's more luggage. They can put it up. The TV is on. There are 2 bathrooms. 1, 2. Pretty nice. Water sink. Wash your hands here. Socket. You can charge your phone here. Let's have a gander of outside situation. There's a little hill. There's a piece of glass ahead, so the effect isn't very well. Very fast. See the track. Very nice. Finally, this train arrives in Shanghai on time. G9, Beijing, South Beijing to Shanghai, Hongqiao. It's absolutely on time. It's very busy. Look around. A lot of people getting out. Yeah, it's pretty fast. If you are coming to Shanghai from Beijing, maybe this one is a good option. G9. G for Germany. Germany, 9. Number 9. Very busy. I can wait here for a second. Let them go first. Okay, see you. Bye-bye, everyone. See you. Very nice.